This is an example of conduction. Conduction occurs when two surfaces are in direct contact with each other, and heat is transferred from the hotter object to the cooler object. In this case, the flame is the hotter surface and the pot is the cooler. The pot, being metal, is a good conductor and will rapidly absorb heat being transferred by the flame. This transfer occurs because there are, on average, more particles with a greater kinetic energy in the hotter object than there is in the lower temperature object. Now, the bottom of the pot would be hot to the touch, showing that the heat transfer took place. This is an example of convection. Convection is a method of heat transfer that is the primary method that heat moves through gases and liquids. It is essentially a cyclical cycle. In this case, the air in the fireplace is heated, and the particles gain kinetic energy as the volume expands, causing the air to become less dense. This air then rises and moves away from the heat source, slowly cooling and eventually becoming dense enough to fall again, creating the convection current. This is why fireplaces heat a room. Radiation is a method of heat transfer that involves heat traveling through space. Electromagnetic waves, such as those produced by this microwave, transfer heat to the object. The hotter the object that is releasing heat, the more intense the radiation will be. For example, the radiation emitted by this microwave is not as intense as that of the sun. The bowl of water inside will absorb energy, causing the kinetic energy to increase and therefore the temperature of the object to rise. This is evidenced by the steam that can be seen rising from the bowl.